Hi guys. Most frequently asked questions in C sharp is statically and dynamically typed. So first we talk about the statically typed. In a statically typed language, type checking is done at compile time. This means that the type of every variable is known as compile time, and you must declare the type of variable explicitly or allow to compiler to interfere it. So for example, C sharp primarily is a statically typed language. When you declare a variable, you typically specify its a type. It means, let's understand it with the example. I have declared as integer a variable which is integer type, which is the number, and assign its values. And another, I will define another variable. Here is the message, which is type of string, and assign its values. Here is the hello world. Right, so in this example, number is an integer and message is string. If you try to assign a value of the different type, the C sharp compiler will throw an error during the compilation. So let's understand it. So I have declared as the number which is integer type, and I want to assign in the same variable is the different type of values, like this, likewise the hello world. So when I'm so when I move out the cursor here, then you can see here the count implicitly convert a string to integer. It means once variable type is defined, you have to assign a different type of datas. Then it's throw an error at a compile time. Now talk about the dynamically typed. So in dynamically typed language, type checking done at a runtime means variable can hold any type of data, and the type can change during the execution. It means while sheets are primarily statically typed, it does offer dynamically typing capability through the dynamic keyword, which allow to type checking to be deferred until the runtime. It means uh, let's remove here because throwing an error at a compile time. So in dynamically type in dynamically type dynamically type declare a variable is dynamic, which is the variable which assigned is the value is the 10, and again assign inside this value is the string values, like this. Assign a string. So in this example, variable start as an integer and then is reassigned to a string without any compile time checking, right? The type of variable is determined at a runtime, right? So let's execute it. And so what happened? Which type of values it's showing here? So in this variable, dynamic variable value is 10, but once I move this one, its value is assigned its values assigned to the string type of values. So it means the dynamic type is useful when working with the COM object, interacting with the dynamic language, or when the type of data is known as until at a runtime. So conclusion. So its conclusion that C sharp is primarily statically typed, means type are checked at compile time and are known as before the program runs, right? But second point is that Second point is that C sharp also supports dynamic type using the dynamic keyword, which allow to determine to happen at the runtime providing more flexibility but less type safety.